Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on netbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Sikukune 0. I'm joined by #Strong. It's Long Dilanga.
But iChiefs is engozini. iChiefs is engozini. Hayi. iChiefs is engozini. iChiefs is engozini. Hayi. iChiefs is engozini. iChiefs is engozini. Baba. iChiefs is engozini. iChiefs is engozini. Hayi. Baba. iChiefs is engozini. iChiefs is engozini. Shooter Ratamaya. Shooter Ratamaya. Shooter Ratamaya. Shooter Ratamaya. Harwina liki marshupa kamenwana. Harwina kepe marwina kachele. Harwina liki marshupa kamenwana. Harwina kepe marwina kabutu. Nagistiwo Shooter Ratam. Stiwo is traditional. The only guy hata strating. Celebrities swearing you. Celebrities swearing you. Uno sign autograph maraji silo. Haba mbona mstari shoote moki fita ngina shoote. Bona guys kale wa hugira ke trende. Ka shoote ke atsamaya. Bona kale lebuha. Ke trende ke sina silo mara ke celebrity. Ni celebrity ya nyaka ba dama ni ke shoote ka mara di molo. Bona artsene mo game. Jwatsa maporiso shebe number. Arona is a game out ke nyoko ba shooting shot. Arona is a game out. That only one crucial moment. Last minute of extra time. That's crucial moment, FN. We must talk about that. Or game, first half, second half, extra time. First half, extra time, second half. You need to look only at that moment. Fail or Sundowns. He to the next round. He win 1-0. Because Kaizer Chiefs was waiting. But when we meeting about. But it's okay, it's football. It's football. It's football. Why do I? I'm gonna say this. Sundowns won today. Sundowns won. And thanks to the coach for giving other players a chance to play. Coach Umulezi before Nari. The A team is Sundowns. And the Nakamusola coach are not A team. Rotation. All our players are 18 players. They are A team, all our players. They are good standing. You understand? So that is quality that you have. And I always say we are not a big team. We are the best team.
Okay.
You understand, Orga?
At the moment.
No, not at the moment. Listen, we are all. Listen, we are the best team. Last season we were in the semi-finals of the Nedbank Cup.
Only at the moment.
This season again we are there in the semi-finals. So you need to applaud us. You need to applaud us.
We never extra time.
Oh, you are not doing
come on. Extra time. We never extra time. Extra time. How extra time is? Come on, extra time. Extra time. Extra time. 20 minutes of extra time. Over extra 20 minutes. Extra time of extra time. It's like
you're with me. You're with me. Discipline, Baba. Discipline. I'm saying to you, remember, extra time is part of the game. Or the Cup game. Extra time. No. Henkelore extra time as part of the game. Now what are 90 minutes but yangu tani len high. But cup game, every extra 30 minutes. Maybe you can do something. But they said Eric Tinkler had a draw. Or practice the penalty. This top 5, Baba Tora had the penalty. The guys have to change the reading. Extra time. Those were his players by the penalty.
Okay.
But already was playing for penalty shootout. Right now we didn't plan for that. We wanted to grind the result today, and we tried. And also, their goalkeeper was very good. You know, those saves There's a grand kick and a header he saved.
Save what?
There's another save in the second half he saved. It was in, but he saved it.
Yes.
There was there are many saves that he did. Good for him. You understand?
10
So
saves.
I blame them for firing Lekhonolo Siemo. It's okay because he's playing an open game. He doesn't defend.
Sure.
Hence, last time we played, they scored 2 goals. We won 4-2.
Yeah.
It shows that they are hungry, but it's not a problem. I want other guys to come in. As I said, only one crucial moment changed the result today.
Exactly.
That last minute only. Listen, that last minute only. Tapelo ke morena, 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 tapelo ke morena,
Tapelo ke morena.
utlwela reng nna man of the match a ke efe motho ka tjena
Yeah.
a ke efe motho
How feel keeper all for 10 saves?
man of the match ke di-supportera tsa rival teams ba batlileng ba rival teams ba batlileng those are the men of the match because
very full force.
coach o boletse
Very full force. Very full force.
o tla tshwara ke cardiac arrest how many tsa Sundowns o tla tshwara ke cardiac arrest o tla fainta ra ira di-first aid o ska be wa senya dimenya tsa hao wa menyetsa ba Mamelodi Sundowns.
Imagine.
I'm out.
Imagine.
That is still I'm out.
Imagine.
I'm out.
Imagine.